Latoya Jackson. Ms. Jackson, you were charged with fraudulent destruction of a price tag. You were facing up.
Right off the bat, fraudulent destruction of a price tag. Doesn't sound serious? Think again. This kind of retail fraud can actually land someone up to 6 months behind bars. Would you risk jail time just to save a few bucks at Walmart?
To 6 months in jail and or $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to, bless you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
On December 30th, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a theft at a business in Harris County, Texas. Upon arrival, the officer spoke with a loss prevention officer who advised he was watching surveillance when he noticed the defendant removing price tags off items and placing them on different items in her basket. The total was $136.27. And when the officer spoke with the defendant, she admitted to removing price tags and placing them on different items before checking out.
Here's where it gets real. The judge is deciding if she qualifies for a court-appointed lawyer. This is a big deal because without representation, navigating the legal system is like walking into a maze blindfold. What do you think? Should taxpayers foot the bill for her defense, or should she have to pay up since she admitted what she did?
Jackson, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am? Do you work? Okay. What kind of money do you make a month? Do you have any children? Okay. Do you get support for the child? Did you want to apply for an appointed lawyer? Okay. Do you mind giving an application, please? Deputy Lopez is going to give you an application. I'll have you fill it out. I'll see. I need to know everything about you, and I'll take a look to see whether you qualify. If you do, I'll provide your lawyer today. Please.
All right. Can call this first.
Okay.
You're welcome. Any law conditions for...
Oh.
Now we switch lanes. Literally, a DWI charge just hit the courtroom. Notice how quickly the stakes jump. 1 second it's price tags, the next it's impaired driving, something that could have cost lives.
I'm sorry. Thank you so much. Yes. No going, where was it from?
The Walmart.
Okay. No going to any Walmart.
Yes, Judge.
If you don't mind filing that. And then, hey, I forgot to do conditions. And so, before she goes, we'll do. All right. You are Aguilar Barera.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, you were charged with driving while intoxicated. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, sir. The officer initiated a traffic stop after observing the defendant failed to maintain a single lane and run over a curb in Harris County, Texas. Upon contact,
the judge just dropped a bombshell. If this defendant is undocumented, a simple DWI could trigger deportation. This isn't just about traffic violations anymore. It's about someone's entire future in the U.S. Should immigration consequences weigh this heavily in a criminal case?
the officer observed unsteadiness, slurred speech, alcoholic beverage. The defendant did not consent to standard field sobriety tests. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused a blood and breath sample. A search warrant was signed and executed.
Do you see any prior DWIs? And have you see it? Oh,
I have no license on file, and there's no prior DWIs.
Okay. Mr. Aguilar Barera, I don't know what your immigration status is, but if you were in this country without permission and you go to jail long enough and immigration finds you, they will put in immigration and you will be stuck in custody until this case is over with. And then you will be shipped off to immigration where you will sit for another 6 to 9 months. Allowed to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't care what's going on in your life. I don't care if you need groceries. I don't care if there's a burning building and you have to save 50 kittens. You drive. I can have a contempt hearing. I can hold you in contempt, slap you with another 6 months in jail and or a $500 fine every time you drive. You will be signing an affidavit with me today promising me you're not going to drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. You will be randomly tested. If I find that you're consuming any kind of alcohol or illegal drugs, likewise, you will go to jail No more PR bonds for you. You got out of jail quick because we gave you a PR bond. If you pick up a new case or violate conditions, I will revoke your bond and you will be stuck in there for at least 6, maybe 10, maybe 12 hours. And that's when immigration will put their clutches all over you. This is the only warning you're going to get. Heed this warning. What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
Como unos 3,000 a la month.
All right, we're going to give you time to go hire a lawyer. So I'm going to have you come up here.
I have an attorney.
Oh, you do?
Sí, hay abogado. Gracias.
Please.
All right, next is.
Been some days and I've been in the store and my
I have to have one. So before you're leaving.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Ms. Jackson, I wanted to just apprise you that when we have cases of this nature, I forbid you from going back to the place in question. In this place, it's Walmart. You're not allowed to go to Walmart. You're not allowed to go to any Walmart for any reason. It doesn't matter. Do you understand? If we catch you at a Walmart or if you pick up a new case, I'm going to revoke the bond. I will put you in jail. No more PR bonds. You understand, ma'am? Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Josh.
wow.
Council for consent.
This is interesting. Instead of jail, the deal is take a gun safety class and anger management and boom, case dismissed. Creative justice or just too lenient? Let me know if you'd take this deal or push for harsher penalties.
But a judge decides to Thank you.
Yeah, hi, James.
Good morning, Judge. I have Michael James. It's an old case, but I was appointed December 9th. I was just appointed about less than a month ago, Judge.
Okay.
And we have a PCI deal worked out where if he does a gun safety course and some anger management, the case will be dismissed. And we get him, how long would you like?
Is he here?
No, Judge, he's here.
Come on up, sir. So a gun class and you said community service?
No, gun safety course and anger management course.
Anger management, okay. Is it like a 2 or 3 hour anger management class?
It's a 4 hour.
It's a 4 hour, Judge.
Okay.
They just said do any online one.
2 classes to do and the case gets dismissed.
Yes, sir.
Each class is around 2 to 4 hours. How long do you think it'll take you to get done?
It's not gonna take me long. I'll get on that today.
2 weeks?
Yes, Judge, that'd
All
be
right.
plenty of time.
Okay, all right. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
You
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, ready?
Yes, Judge.
Hi, yes, of course.
I filed Presa.
Presa.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Oi,
my intention was to work it out.
it's 225 days old. I think that now will get their attention. We'll see. If they come in, we can still do it at any time, but I'm not going to roll it when it's SFBF today, you know? Yeah, and then just whenever, at some point, they'll either picked up. If they want to come in and do it, bring them in, we'll just do it. Okay? So, how many times, let me see how many times he's missed. I normally set it around 5,002 if they've missed 2 times. I don't know how many times he's missed, so let me see. Okay, I'll do 5,001. Okay, sure.
All right.
No. Sorry, 5,002. Presa. He has 2 times that he failed up here.
Judge, for Lizzo, for her meeting, I think it's on today, it should still be ready for activity. Is there any way we can change the box to say amends? Since we changed our commissioners.
On the actual, I mean, I don't know if I can do that. Let me see. You mean on the bond violation report?
Yes. Yeah.
No, that's okay. Yeah. Hey, Victoria. On Presa, on the 12/19, it's a required appearance and the defendant did not sign. So defendant was a no-show?
Right, that's why we said no problem.
It doesn't say that in the court notes, though.
I think on the reset, it said a required appearance. And then I saw the following reset was set for bond forfeiture.
Are you ready? You?
Yes, Judge. Good morning. Approaching on Salustrio Garcia. And I just have a standing breath test. Just for everyone else.
No, I'll sign it. Come on.
Thank you.
Are you
Yes.
okay with it? You want them to sign it too or no?
No.
You don't?
It's
Okay.
an office policy. but
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
got it done.
So that's it. All right. Thanks, Judge.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hey, Judge, good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Sorry, there's a jackhammer going on outside my window, so apologies for that if it
No,
comes up.
I don't think we can hear it. What's going on with you, man?
Okay, I have a client that I represent on a felony case here in Harris County out of Judge Morton's court. And I know he was picked up on a warrant out of Louisiana. I was trying to figure it out. Anyway, I saw he was on docket today there. Last name's Rodriguez.
He said he's on docket today?
Yeah, he's in custody as a fugitive case.
Okay, hold on. Are you representing him in the fugitive case?
No, I represent him in the felony case.
Okay.
He has a pending felony here in Harris County that he's on bond for, but he was picked up on a warrant out of Louisiana. He's been in custody, and I think he got put on your docket today.
So we have Sonia representing him.
Okay. And can you tell me what happened today with him, or has anything happened?
I don't know. Let me see. It looks like he made bond on his felony case. So does he have a Do you have a waiver? You say a waiver that's been signed in that case? Do you see?
For Rodriguez?
Yeah.
Let me see, Judge. And it was filled out today, or it's already in the system?
I don't know. I don't see anything. You said you saw a waiver?
No, that's what Sonia had said, that was already a signed waiver in place.
I don't know. I don't have any.
I know.
So I don't know. I don't know, Will. I have no idea.
Because I know she said she was already.
You could reach out to Sonia. You can also reach out to Day at the DA's office. You know, Day Kim.
Yeah.
Reach out to him. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't have either of them here to be able to tell me what happened, and there's nothing online, so I have no idea.
Okay.
Typically,
It was
when-
one judge. Yes. Just so you know, we are waiting for Amy to come back for a fugitive case with Ricardo.
Amy's supposed to come back, so just hang tight and we can tell you.
Okay. And tell me, can you finish what you're saying? I've never quite understood the fugitive thing on waiving extradition. How does that work?
We got this morning.
So he waived.
Okay.
So essentially, we're waiting for the other jurisdiction to see if they come pick him up.
Okay. Does he have a bond set in that Louisiana case? Do we know?
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Let me
I'll come back to.
wait for Amy to get here, and then we can tell you more. Okay. Yeah, give me a couple.
I may have to.
Or if
Okay,
you don't
I'll
have
hang
time,
on.
you can come back or whatnot. It's up to you.
I will get back in touch at some point today for sure.
Okay.
Thanks, Judge.
All right. Hi. You ready?
No, the report is still not ready. I was just gonna ask if we could roll it till tomorrow, Judge. My client had to be back at work at 12. And
Working on the report right now. They got all the information this morning, so
Does it look like everything's done?
everything is done.
Okay. So yeah, we'll wait. We'll roll it.
And there it is. The judge throws down the hammer. A leg monitor, strict conditions, and zero tolerance for slip-ups. At this point, Courtroom isn't just about punishment. It's about control and accountability. What would you do if your freedom came with a GPS track?
Wait it to tomorrow.
okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Mr. Garris, you ready?
Well, halfway ready. But ready on Mr. Lotta's case, which is set on the docket tomorrow. Felony court today. And so I advised him to come down here after felony court, just maybe more expedient overall. He's here in the back.
Come up, Miss Alera. Are you representing him upstairs?
No, not upstairs, but I guess have learned that they have a TRAS set on the felony charge upstairs. He is made bond here on our case, and I think we need to get some bond conditions put in place. I talked with the state, we're amenable to no contact, no going near the protected address that is the subject of the individual.
I'm going to put a monitor on you though. You're a flight risk.